Thank you for seeing my video, thank you for subscribing to my channel. So today what I'm going to do is to build a server. So thank you for seeing my videos, put like, dislike, and don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to read the description. I'm going to put there my affiliate links for this video. So in order to build a server, what I did, I used these two 4TB red Western Digital NAS graded HDDs, which one of them wasn't working and the other one was working, and after that I was able to repair the other one. Also, the computer is an old parts computer that I did in the past. I'm going to put also the parts on the description of this video, and also you're going to see on the side a card with the building of the computer which I did. So what are you seeing right now? I'm using a 32GB stick from SanDisk, and I'm using it because I already transfer all the freenas to this stick, and I'm going to connect it to the computer in order to install the freenas in this computer. After connecting the USB stick to the computer and booting from the USB stick, it's going to give you a wait of 9 seconds. After those 9 seconds, it's going to give you the screen where you can install the freenas. After the 9 seconds the pass, the computer is going to think and to start recognize the stuff that you have in your computer, in your server that you're building. It's a home server, so everyone can build that. And you're going to see also an installation screen. You press on 1, you press OK, and then it's going to think again, and it's going to show you some stuff like the USB keyboard, your mouse, and all the USB things that are connected to your computer. Now it's going to show you where you can install your freenas. Okay, cancel. As you can see, I didn't put where I want to install it. Now I'm going to press where I do want to install it in OK, and it's going to give you a warning that is going to install there, and everything that was there is going to be deleted. Now you need to put your root password, and underneath that you need to confirm your password and press on OK again. And so I'm going to do boot via BIOS because the system I had, it's an old system. as you can see, this is the screen. After that you install everything, and you also have your IP address. Next time what I'm going to do, I'm going to configure my freenas, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So thank you for seeing my videos. If you like the video, put a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, put thumbs down, and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day, night, whatever.